I've decided that if we can get up to 500 subscribers, then I will cut at least 20 inches of this off. So probably up to here. And donate it. Just gotta get up to 500 subscribers. And 20 inches will be gone. We're gonna install this LED light that we bought up on the building to make it a little brighter at night. It has a sensor for when it's dusk and dawn, and it has a wire electrical connection. So we're about to get that all hooked up.
Tell me if this is safe. Center.
Made little tiny holes up there for it. Is this ladder to get up on the truck? Huh? No, is that why you put it there? Oh, it's like... But the truck does look higher. Is it from the bags? We're gonna put it right here. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna go from here to here. Okay, ready?
You got 2 more steps.
Huh? I know.
2 more steps.
I'm just prepping. Okay. I'm up on top of the building. So I can hold the light. You gotta put the light up.
What?
The light! I'll hold the light so Mike can tighten these on the other side. No! You gonna throw that to me? No. That's gonna break.
No, it's not.
I'm not gonna catch it and it's gonna fall and it's gonna break.
Catch it back.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes. Oh, I caught it. Oh, gotta put these wires in here. Uh-oh. Okay.
Maybe top one.
Huh? Hold on, I gotta get my tools.
No, right, just hold it.
Oh. I can't see. Okay. Hold on. Ah. Oh no, I'm gonna lose them.
Hold
I'm holding one of them because the other one just fell out. Okay.
really?
What? What?
Oh, you forgot?
No. What happened? What are you doing? Which one are you
What's
on?
the top one?
Babe, can you put something on this one? It keeps falling out. Got it? Okay.
No, I don't.
Oh, I thought you were just putting something on it. No?
I am, but I
Oh.
don't got it.
Alright. Good?
No,
Feels like you are.
I put the wrong one on. I need the top.
I know. Did you get the bottom so I could let go? Alright. Hold on, I can't see a thing because my hair. Okay. Alright. I got the top one. Got it? Can I let go?
Yeah.
Okay. Ow. Okay, gotta see which one. These fits. This is gonna
Which one you on?
I'm trying to see if it fits on the top one. Okay, I'm on the top one. Good?
Yeah.
Alright. I need the other one. Alright, I'm going to this side. Over here.
What you got, left or right?
Left. Okay, I'm on. Finally. Good?
Yeah.
Okay. I can't see the other one, so hold on. Okay. Okay, you're good. Okay. And we've got a light. Now I need a ladder to get down. This is what I'm dealing with up here. My hair blowing in my face so that I can't see. 500 subscribers. 500 subscribers, and I'll cut off at least 20 inches. Hey, you gonna come let me down?
Yeah, hold on a minute.
Oh, I didn't know you were still up here. What are you doing?
I'm hooking the wires up.
Oh, let's see if we can see you. I'm seeing if I can see you. I don't think so.
Yeah, when I plug it up, put your hand over the sensor, see if it comes on.
It's on.
On?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's off.
What?
It's off.
You did it?
I didn't do anything.
Your hand not over it?
My hand never was over it.
Oh, put your hand over it.
It must have done it when it just turned on. Yeah, it's on. It's on. It's still on. Still on. It's off. It's on. My savior. Good. Okay. You want these?
Maybe so.
I'll do this one first. Oh, I'll do this one now. Why are you catching with your right hand? Oh. Okay, here I go.
Watch the light.
Direct me.
Go to the right. Okay.
Okay. There's the light to the right of my leg. Feel it. Okay. Done. What do you think?
You better work this time.
Looks good. Did it in 12 minutes. This over here is the new light that we just put up today. This orange dot up here, that's our street light lamp that we have, so that's lighting up this area, the orange. And then this light we've had on the house already too, which is lighting up this area. But you can see that new light lights up that whole area up back there really well. There's that compared to back there, darkness.